Hello! This week we bring you an activity that we love. It's the best clay recipe that we've ever tried, and we had to share with you because it's perfect. And you can make all kinds of gifts with it. Today we make air-dried clay with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. For our clay we're going to need ½ cup of corn flour or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 ounces of white glue, 2 tablespoons of baby oil, and a stick or wooden spoon to stir the clay. We start by pouring the white glue into the cornstarch. And we're going to stir it patiently. By the way, remember to subscribe to our channel so you always watch our videos. They have to be completely mixed, as you can see here. That's it! Now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of baby oil. 1 and 2. And finally we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And we're going to mix it all again very well. At the beginning it will be very liquid, but now when we apply a little bit of heat, you'll see how good it is. This is known as cold clay because it does not need an oven or microwave once it's molded. But when we make the dough, we do need to put a little bit of heat. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds only at a maximum temperature, not a second more. When we take it out, it will be almost the same, but we're going to stir it very well again so that all the dough has the same temperature. And when we've already stirred it, we put it another 30 seconds in the microwave. When we take it out and try to mix it, we'll see that the consistency has changed. Now it's a little bit more difficult to stir it. And we have to mix it very well so that all the dough has the same texture. As you can see, it's a little hard, and you have to make sure it's not too hot before touching it with your hands. And now it's finally time to knead it! To do this, we're going to pour some corn flour on the table. We're going to put some of the clay on top. And we're going to knead it. The texture is amazing. It's like super soft Play-Doh. If you just want to do this part with your kids, it's already a great sensory activity. It's super soft and very pleasant to the touch. When it no longer sticks to your fingers, you have your clay ready for modeling. But first, we remind you that we have all these resources to download on our website. Many of them are completely free, and all of them will help you a lot this summer to work with your kids. And if you're a teacher, you can send them to your students so they can have fun this summer while they review at home. Well, it's finally time to shape our clay. We're going to take the amount that we need, and we're going to flatten it very well with a rolling pin or with our hands. Let's start by doing something simple. Can you guess what shape it will be? A heart! The possibilities with this clay are endless, because it's super easy to mold. You can get as creative as you want. Let us know in the comments what shapes you would make with this clay. And seeing that it's so easy to mold, we're going to try to make some designs a little bit more difficult. Gata rainbow and Gata moon. To help us a little bit, we're going to use these images as templates. And this way we will get the dimensions right. Now we do Gata rainbow. And that's it! We have both of them. We're going to let them air dry from 24 to 48 hours. Ours not being very thick, we're ready in 24 hours. And look, they're super resistant. This clay recipe is really amazing. let's add a little color to our creations. First the heart, and now what we're all waiting for, to get the rainbow and get the moon. It's not easy, especially since we clearly have to get new brushes. These are not very precise, but we'll still manage to make it look not bad at all. We're going to paint the body and the tail first. And wait for it to dry. And repeat the process with Gato Rainbow. And when we have it, we're going to make the outline of the arm and the face. They're not perfect, but we love them! And now, to make it look better, we decided to paint the side and the back in black, so we'll have a better finish. And since we like the results so much, we decided to put a magnet on the back to put them on our fridge. This idea is great as a gift, whether it's for a birthday, Father's or Mother's Day. We glue it with silicone, and look at the result! We couldn't like it more, really. They turned out much better than we expected. Let's not forget that we did this with 4 ingredients that we had at our home, and with a little bit of paint. What do you think? Well, and as every week, it's time for the round of greetings. This week they go to Janina, to Ale, to Jessica, another one for Daniel, for Eddie the YouTuber, to Daniela, and last but not least, a shout out to Cake Silex. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you also want a greeting, you can ask us in the comments. As always, remember that you can watch this video in Spanish on our channel. I will see you next Sunday with a new video. Bye!